Hello everyone, I am Teresa and today I will be showing some of the basic to advanced Linux commands. Also, I will install some tools from GitHub and use them to perform some attacks. Let's begin. We can increase the size of the terminal by using Ctrl then plus. Let us see the first command, that is pwd. It indicates to display the current working directory of this terminal. So home/robin/dex. Another command, that is ls. It shows the list of all the folders and the files in this directory. In order to see mode and all other stuff, we will write ls-la. So as you can see, the D here indicates these are directories and these are the files, so they don't have the D in front of them. First three indicates the permission for user, then the second three indicates the permission for group, and last three column indicates the permission for other. When we type clear here, it will clean the terminal. We will create a new file. As you can see, with the command touch, we have created a new file and its name is file.txt. In order to edit that, we will write nano. We will write something here, and then in order to save the file, we press Ctrl X and then Y and then enter. In order to see what are written inside the file, we will use the cat command. We will write cat file.txt. So there is some gibberish words. Let's make a Python file that will print hello. So for that, we will write nano program.py. Let's write print hello in Python. Let's just close the bracket and Ctrl X and yes, we want to save it. For executing this Python file, at first let's see what is the permission given. Program.py doesn't have any execution permission for it. Use chmod +x and then the file name, that is program.py. So let's see what is the permission level again, ls-la. So as you can see, now we can execute this file and its color has changed. So for executing, we will write Python 3, then the file name. So it prints hello in Python. Now we can show a command which will remove a file, and the command is rm. Then suppose I'm going to remove the file called 1.txt. So I will write 1.txt. And when I press enter, you can see that file is no more. Okay, let's create a folder now. So for that, we will write mkdir command and then the folder name. Let's write my folder. And when I press enter, as you can see, that folder is created. In order to get inside that folder, we will write cd, then the folder name. As you can see, after writing mine, I can press tab and it will automatically fill up the remaining portion. Then I click enter. Let's make some more folders in it. mkdir folder 1. Let's see inside this my folder. As you can see, there are two folders, abc and folder 1. Okay. Let's see a command that will remove all the subdirectories of my folder. Let's go back cd ... Now I'm going to recursively remove my folder and also all the files within it. So for that, I will type rm, then my folder, and then -r. So this will recursively remove all the files within that folder. Let's use another command, that is who am I. This will tell exactly which user I am using. To change to root user, I will type sudo su and then type the password for this user. And as you can see, now I am the root user. You can see that it shows root because I just switched into root user. Let's see the manual for cat program.py man for this command. Now you can see all the possible things that we can do with cat. We can find the version, it type q. ps shows all the running processes in terminal. So just write ps and then hit enter. So there are 4 processes running. Yes, all. Now let's see the name of the operating system using uname. It's Linux. Let's see network status using netstat. Now we are going to show a enumeration tool that is called dnsenum. dnsenum. Now we are going to test this website. So let's copy. Then for testing, we will use the keys Ctrl Shift and V. So it only has brought out the host name. Let's just remove the subdomain part and press enter again. Okay, let's just end it here. Now I'm going to show how you can clone a tool from GitHub. So this is a tool named knockpy used for finding out the subdomains of a website. Desktop. Now we press enter. As you can see, the folder has been created. So inside that folder, ls, you can see there is a requirements.txt file. We have to install these 4 libraries for this tool to operate. So for that, we will type pip3, then install -r, then requirement.txt. This requirement already satisfied. Now let's use this by typing python 3 knockpy. We are gonna test it on this website again. So let's press enter. We will now see another subdomain finding tool that is called sublister. We have to first install it as well. What is a Python version 11.6? Is far above this version. Put that command. As you can see, that folder is also being created. If I type su, then hit tab, sublister ce3r.py-h. So for port scanning, we will use -p. For domain, we will use -d. Python 3. Now let's run this command. Sublister couldn't find any subdomain under the testphp.web.com. So let us find the subdomains for only web.com. Okay, so it has already found 8 unique subdomains. Let us use another tool from the GitHub. Git clone. Git means we are using GitHub, then we clone, that means we are cloning this. Yes, so the 7, this is octal, so 7 means we can use 1, then 2 and 4. So how this works? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2. So the first one is used for read. That means 4 is used for read, 2 is used for write, and 1 is used for execution. If we add all this 4, 2 means 6 and 1 7. So 7 means that that specific user will have all the permissions for read, write, and execution. As you can see here, what we have given is 755. It means that other users and the group user will only be able to execute, that means 1, and 4, that means read. 4 and 1, that is 5. So other users and the group users will only be able to execute and read, not write. They do not have the write permission. Only the root user has the write permission. It's installed and running, as you can see here, that is pwn xss.py. So we will write python 3, then the file name. Let's just use that, then hit enter. So here the alert is showing, so it's vulnerable to xss. Okay, here we stay in the console. Then if we test here and go, as you can see, the console is showing the output critical findings here. As you can see, for cross-site scripting, in order to see all the commands that we used earlier, we have to use the command called history. So this one is the last one, and it's called grep. So what I'm going to use, grep is used for finding a specific pattern. Let us find for my life. Okay, so if we want it to be case insensitive, then we will use -i. So this is the short introduction. So thanks for watching. I will be uploading the next tasks soon.